UK, check out the video. But first, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.
This video was filmed in St Ives in Cornwall in the UK on the 16th of May 2024. Check out this awesome video. Here it is. Now this video was filmed on the 16th of May 2024 at 17:32 PM British Summer Time. Now the person who took the video said it was a glowing stationary sphere. It was there for about 15 minutes. There wasn't any noise coming from it at all, and a large cloud covered it. It stayed in the same place. It's the clouds that are actually moving, not the object itself in the video. Now the person said several planes passed by after the fact it was there, and so it wasn't a plane from what they were saying, and it was too high up in the sky and too bright to be a drone. I found it again. It was on the Enigma Labs app. Let's have a look. You can see here. Can you see that there? It's actually the clouds that are moving there, as you can see. Glowing stationary orb. What could this actually be? Let's have a look at the full video.
I can't zoom in anymore. Can you zoom in on that?
No.
What is happening? That can't be a star.
No, it's not a star.
Can you get your phone out and see if you can? Well, no, but just get it. I'm recording.
I've got Emily peddling me for once.
What is that? Adam. We're not going to be able to stop looking at it.
That's a super bright star.
Yeah. What the fuck is that? Why? It's not moving.
It's unusual to see it that bright in the day.
I've never seen a daytime star. Have you?
No, not like that. Not that bright.
What? That's right above us.
Big, deep.
I don't understand.
I can get.
Whoever you are, whatever you are, you have been spotted.